Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to get Chromecast ready quickly. First, plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it. Make sure the TV is on that input. Once done, connect your phone or tablet to the same Wi-Fi network as the Chromecast. This matters because Discovery uses local network traffic. Now open the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to add a device. Grant Bluetooth and location prompts so the app can find the dongle. This speed-ups pairing. Once your device appears, confirm the pairing code shown on TV so you know you're connecting to the right Chromecast. Next, name the device something short and clear, like Living Room TV, because that name is how you will cast and use voice commands. Then select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure the Wi-Fi band matches your router settings for reliability. Finally, link services like YouTube or Netflix inside Google Home. Now you're ready to cast. Open a supported app, tap the cast icon, and select your Chromecast. The stream should begin on the TV. You can also use voice, say, "Hey Google, play music on Living Room TV," to control playback hands-free. If it fails, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi, reboot your router or power cycle the Chromecast. As a last resort, perform a factory reset from the Google Home app to clear incorrect settings and start over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.